RMS is holding the camera. This SRW's at work. This is Friday. It should be here tomorrow. And beautiful day. There are tubes and radios and parts and all kinds of cool stuff galore. So let's go around and see what's going on. I'll catch up with you later on. Bye.
Radio's rule. We're 1380 AM and 92.1 FM. Radio Free Kutztown.
Okay, guys. All right. Let's see the finds. Anything good? What we got?
Yeah, a few things.
A few things?
Got a Midwest chassis.
Midwest chassis?
Yeah.
I know you got the RCA Victor bezel, right?
Yeah, 19K cushion. I got a 5T. He's got a 5T5, an RCA 5. Oh, did you buy it?
Cool.
$10.
Oh, you stole it.
Yeah.
Tell everybody, where are you guys from?
We're from Quebec. I'm from
Quebec, so you guys did a lot of traveling to get here.
Only portable radio in the non-breakable impact case. So rugged, it's the only radio case with a 5-year guarantee against chipping, cracking, or breaking in normal use. Of course, the tube might jar loose, but that's easily fixed. The important thing is RCA Victor's non-breakable impact case means no chipping, no cracking, no breaking. And hear that tone. It's RCA Victor's great golden throat sound. See the world's only portable with the non-breakable impact case as low as $27.95 at your RCA Victor dealer. See these two portable radios? Well,
Let me get a shot of your shirt. There we go.
This is from that vintage computer fest.
How you doing, Darren? Good, good. tipsy, huh?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. That's what you get for imbibing the night before.
And the other half for $150. And I'm like, well, which way do you think this one's going to lean to? And he went, oh, I think it tastes like
Fred?
Oh, you knew about it.
Oh,
Yeah, I knew about it.
they're gorgeous.
He likes you just the way you are.
See, did I swallow all the food? Yeah, that's right.
I just shut it off. It said recording, then it went away.
Oh no, maybe you just never.
I like the way you sort this stuff out.
Pretty much. Yeah. That looks official.